In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove Collaborator from Spotify playlist. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once the app is open, head to your library, then select Playlists. Find the collaborative playlist you want to manage and open it. Look for the area under the playlist title that shows the current collaborators. This may display profile pictures or other collaborator details. Click this section to open the full list of contributors. You will now see the people who currently have editing access to the playlist, along with their roles. Find the collaborator you want to remove. Then click their role or the Options button next to their entry to bring up the available actions. If you see the option to Remove as Collaborator, select it. This removes that person's ability to add, delete, or reorder songs in the playlist. Alternatively, you may see an option to Remove from Playlist. Select this option if you want to fully remove the person from the playlist. Removing someone as a collaborator or removing them from the playlist does not automatically delete the songs they previously added. If you want to remove any of those tracks, manually remove the individual songs afterward. If you do not see an option to remove the collaborator, check that you are using the account that created the playlist or has permission to manage collaborators. After making your change, give the playlist a moment to update. If the collaborator list does not refresh right away, close and reopen the playlist. You can also restart the app, then check the playlist again to confirm the change has been applied. Once the collaborator has been removed, their access will be updated based on the option you selected. If you removed them as a collaborator, they will no longer be able to edit the playlist. If you selected Remove from Playlist, they will be removed from the playlist entirely. You can return to the Collaborator section at any time to check the current list of people who have access. If you need to remove another collaborator, repeat the same process by selecting the person, opening the available actions next to their entry, and choosing the appropriate Remove option. That is how to remove a collaborator from a Spotify playlist using the Spotify desktop app. Thank you for watching.